Welcome to Adam.
Okay, voice crack. First thing. Alright, check that one off the list. Just okay.
Make a SCP server. Alright. So download CMD. It'll be in link in description. Open it.
What's up with the ASMR?
Downloading update. Well, it's gonna say downloading. And just wait.
Yeah, it is just going to say downloading.
In the meantime, go make yourself a folder. Name whatever you want. I already have one, and I named it SCP. It should be right here. Yep, SCP. Just wait. All this other stuff on. So there's going to be a bunch of other stuff on the side here that's going to pop up.
Okay, no, I actually got this wrong. There will not be other stuff over here. Whenever you're doing this for the first time, there will be no stuff. It will automatically be in the folder whenever you're doing the dir. It should already be in the directory. This just happens whenever you're doing an update or you're just downloading it. Yeah, whenever you're doing an update, basically.
Just watch. Just watch whenever it's done. Just watch. Yep, see?
Yep.
See how it changed?
Yep.
Yeah, all this stuff, you don't actually need any of this.
Okay, second thing. I didn't notice that it already said Steam here. Right there. That's where you're supposed to put all this stuff if you watch this video. Yeah, so that's another mistake. Oh, this isn't really a mistake thing, but I really want to point this out. So, whenever you're using things that tell you to download it from a weird website that you don't know, the good thing that you know is that whenever we put this into the description that we're using it into the video, so you know that we're not lying and not trying to get you a virus.
Or actually, yeah, you won't actually need any of this. So you can just, woo.
Yeah, you can delete it because the recycling bin, idiot.
Where are... Alright, just delete them later. Type in, whenever it says Steam here, type in, login anonymous.
Yep, I got this part right.
No, you don't put that there. That's not what you're supposed to put there. Oh.
You can hear this sheet of paper in the background. So I was getting really nervous whenever I was making this video. I didn't think that I would do it very well. So I got a piece of paper to write everything down actually correctly, because I'm kind of a little dum-dum. Didn't know how to spell anonymous. But I know how this all works, apparently.
Connecting to anomalous public key.
Yeah, some more stuff just adds. Let me know if you want me to make more SCP videos.
Then, get that little thing I told you to get to make the folder. Get the location, copy
the dir directory.
Then write force underscore install underscore dir, and then paste the thing, then press enter. Then it's gonna say Steam again.
Yeah, it is.
Type in app underscore update 996560, and then validate.
So people say validate for this thing. I think it just makes the server better, basically. Run faster and
I was gonna say this.
Do all this.
Granting, you still should just delete all this. It should just be
recycled.
Don't
so if you're updating it, delete it all again.
Doesn't matter. Oh, also, if it ends up on this side, and it doesn't
Again,
end
I
up in your
didn't see
folder.
the Steam.
Actually, no, this doesn't matter. Here.
Yeah, this is when I realized what was happening.
We're just gonna drag this right there. Yeah. So it's all gonna end up in here. It's just ending up outside for me. Oh, okay. So then we got the Steam thing. Then we can just type quit, and it should just log out that. Then you're gonna need to go to this thing, type in run right here, then do percentage app data percentage, then go down secret laboratory, go to config 7777 config gameplay. Okay, so name your server whatever you want, player list. So then you can just
Okay, I want to list a few things here because I got a couple things wrong. So there are a few extra things that you're gonna need. One of them is that in your server name, right about there, that little line that's above the finger, how it says "Let's Go 89 server." That's what I named it. You're also supposed to make a Discord server. Put the Discord little URL in there too. Just wanted to let you know
gonna be like
that.
7W thing right here. Just delete that and then just smash your keyboard.
That's not true. That is stupid. Don't do that. You're supposed to go to paste. I made a paste bin video. Go watch that, and it's pretty straightforward. I didn't even need to talk for most of it. That's why I didn't talk. So, yeah.
And type in whatever you want here. It just has to be unique.
That is not true.
This is going to be your public IP.
Okay. Another thing that I forgot. There's going to be your IP4 band IP and your IP6 bind IP. Don't put anything there. Okay? All right, so don't do that.
Yes, I'm going to show you how to get that. And also you're going to need your local IP
No,
address.
you're not going to need your local
so
IP
we're
address.
Work on your local IP address. Go to command prompt if you have this. Type in IP config. Press enter.
No, you're not
It's going to be right here.
You're not going to need to do this bit at all. You don't need to type in IP config bit.
IP4 address. Then paste it at IP4 bind thing.
No.
Then we're gonna work on your
Still got like 6 minutes left.
Your public IP. So just go to. I accidentally pressed that. Oh, why did I accidentally? Sorry.
I pressed Among Us.
Close out of that. Okay. No. Okay. Just type in my IP address.
Yep.
What's my IP address? And then like some numbers gonna show up here.
Yep. This is right. And you have to put this at your server IP address.
Copy and paste this. Copy. Just copy it. Then get out of it. And then paste that number right here.
Server IP.
Then put your email address on the contact email. This is very important for later. And then you can just customize whatever you want.
Yeah, whatever email.
Right here, this is just what your server things.
Okay. So this is just kind of this other stuff. You need to read through it and make sure you don't mess anything up. If you don't know what any of this means, search it up on some website. Just search it up.
Just your server
okay? Bit. Because if you get some of this stuff wrong, it's really gonna matter.
This is if you want to be called owner, give your friends admin, an admin, moderator, you know. All.
Oh, yeah. So your Steam ID thing, this is mandatory for you to be your Steam owner, obviously. But you can also put your friends and in the admins and moderators.
This stuff. So you're gonna work on your Steam ID, and how you get this is extremely simple. You go here to Google, you type in Steam.
There you go to Steam.
Press in what is it? Steam account. Then just log in. Press this little icon thing, or just your bit. Oh, sorry. Never mind. Just type your little icon.
Yeah, your little icon.
And then it's gonna be this number right here. So all you have to do is copy it.
Yeah, that number.
So then you can exit out of it. And then it's gonna say 64 at the end. Just don't delete at Steam. And then you just gotta paste it like that. Then press save. Alright. So then you're gonna go to that folder I told you to open earlier, right here. All of this stuff should be in here.
Yep, all of it should be in there.
Local admin.
Yep.
Type in your default port, which is usually going to be 7777.
You can change it though.
Press enter. Wait for it to open. I also have my other one. I'm just waiting for permission. Just gotta open it. Here you go. Now all this stuff is gonna pop up. Your server will not be. No, go away. So then you're gonna.
So you couldn't see it, but one of my sister's friends just popped up to see if you wanted to play Minecraft.
It's gonna say all this stuff. You're going to have to send these guys an email saying what your your public IP address is. It's gonna be like whatever number it's gonna say, probably, then your IP.
Yeah, you probably.
And then you're gonna have to put in if your server is static or dynamic. It's usually going to be dynamic, so just put that.
Okay.
So we're going to get this.
So I'm going to show you. So how you find out if it's static or dynamic. Don't listen to whatever I'm saying. So you need to do this, or basically is you can unplug your router and then plug it back in. And if the number changed from my IP address, the thing that we typed in earlier, if that changed, then you have a static IP address. If it didn't, then you have a dynamic.
You're gonna copy and paste this.
You can also just look it up at Google.
Then you're gonna close. No, you're not. You're actually gonna keep that open. Just go back into.
Yeah. So that's the thing. Whenever you send them the email, you need to keep it open for that entire time. Or it's just So yeah, you need to keep it open for that entire time. Basically. Until they send you an email back saying, hey, congratulations, you did it, or something like that.
Right. So then, go to your web browser, your Gmail.
Yeah, your Gmail.
Then go to Compose. Paste it. Then put in your...
Okay, I'm an idiot here. So, the thing that you have to actually get the Gmail is in here, alright? So whenever you open up this, it'll send us, it'll be on one of these lines, one of these red lines that you see here. It'll say send us your information to server.verification@scpslgame.com. So put that into your Gmail, and this is gonna be in your contact email for
these guys an email saying email.
Yeah.
Then go to Compose. Paste it. Then put in your public IP address. Just say, what's my IP address? Type in this. Copy this number.
Yeah.
Oh no. There. I'll give you an example. It's my IP address. Copy this. Paste it. Then type in dynamic.
Your dynamic.
Now, if this should work, just do in your IP address. This is just mine. Then send it. And then you should get something like this back. Okay. SCP verification. This is the email. This is an automatic message. Do not reply. Your verification request has been received and will be processed usually within 3 days. Please do not send multiple requests for the same server. King of regards. And then that's it.
Yeah.
And then in the next 3 days, it's usually just in one, so don't worry.
No, it's in
It's not
any
like
day.
going to
It's
be a
in the
huge number,
next
but it
3
will happen
days.
in that 3
It's usually within that time whenever you send the email.
day time. You will, and you might get, no,